Hello everyone, myself Sagar Ramesh Kutte, working as Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, JMD College, Sinnar, Nasik. Now, last lecture we will discuss Witt's theory. Now, in this lecture we will discuss Curie's point and exchange internal. Curie's point and exchange internal. Consider a paramagnet with the concentration of n ions of spin s. Given an internal interaction tending to line up the magnetic moment parallel to each other, we shall have ferromagnet. Let us postulate such interaction and cell is exchange field. The orienting effect of exchange field is opposed by the thermal irritation. By the evaluated temperature, the spin order is destroyed. We treat the exchange field as equivalent to the magnetic field capital B suffix E. The magnitude of exchange field may be the high as 10 raised to 7 Gauss, that is 10 raised to 3 Tesla. We assume the B suffix E is proportional to the magnetization capital M. The magnetization is defined as the magnetic moment per unit volume. Unless otherwise specified, it understood to be the value of thermal equilibrium at the temperature T. If domain region magnetize a different direction as present, the magnetization refer to the value with domain. In main field approximation, we assume each magnetic atom experience field proportional to the magnetization, that is B suffix E is equal to lambda m, where this lambda is constant independence of temperature. According to this equation number 1, each spin seen average magnetization of other spin. In truth, it may be seen only near neighbors, but our simplification is good for first look at the problem. The Curie's temperature Tc is temperature above which spontaneous magnetization vanishes. It separated the disorder paramagnetic phase at T less than Tc from order ferromagnetic phase at T is less than Tc, where we can find Tc in terms of constant lambda in the above equation number first. Consider the paramagnetic phase in applied field F. B suffix A will be the cause finite magnetization, and this term in will case finite exchange field BE. In psi P is the paramagnetic susceptibility. In CGS term, M is psi P bracket B suffix A plus B suffix E. In SI, mu B capital M magnetic susceptibility into BA plus BE. This will be the equation number 2nd. The magnetization is equal to constant susceptibility terms field only if the fractional alignment is small. This where assumption enter the specimen in the paramagnetic phase. The paramagnetic susceptibility is given by the Curie's law. Xp is equal to C upon T, where this C is Curie's constant. Put 1 in 2, we find Mt is equal to C bracket B suffix A plus lambda m. In CGS, X susceptibility is equal to M upon BA is equal to C upon T minus C lambda. This will be the equation number 3. The susceptibility 3 has singularity at T is equal to C lambda. At this temperature, there exists spontaneous magnetization. Because susceptibility is finite, we have finite M and 0 BA. From 3, we have Curie's Witt's law. CGS susceptibility is equal to C upon T minus Tc, that is Tc is equal to C lambda. This will be the equation number 4. The expression describes fairly well observed susceptibility vanishes in the paramagnetic region above the Curie's point. The reciprocal susceptibility of nickel is plotted in this diagram. from equation number 4, that is last equation, and definition of Curie's constant C is may determine the value may be filled lambda in equation first. CGS lambda is equal to Tc upon C is equal to 3 kBT into Tc upon n g square S bracket S plus 1 into mu square B. From iron, Tc nearly equal to 100 K, G is equal to 2 and S is equal to 1. From put 5, we have lambda is nearly equal to 5000 with Ms is equal to 1700. We have B is nearly equal to lambda M nearly equal to 5000 into 1700 nearly equal to 10 raised to 7 G, that is equal to 10 raised to 3 Tesla. The exchange field in iron is very much stronger than the real magnetic field due to other magnetic ion in crystal. Magnetic ion produce the field nearly equal to mu B upon A cube or 10 raised to 3 G, that is equal to 0.1 Tesla at the neighboring lattice point. The exchange field give the approximate representation of quantum mechanical exchange interaction. On certain assumption is shown text quantum theory that energy interaction of atom Ij bearing electron spin Sj contain the term U is equal to minus 2J S suffix I into J sub S suffix J, where J is the exchange, this J is the exchange in integral and the related overlap the change distribution of atom I and J, this I and J. Equation 6 is called as Hensburg model, that is this equation. The change distribution of system to spin depend on whether the spin are parallel or anti-parallel. For the Pauli principle, exclude the electron of spin from beginning same phase of same time. It does not exclude the electron opposite spin. Thus, the electrostatic energy of system will depend on relative orientation of the spin. The difference of energy defined as exchange energy. The exchange energy of two electrons may be written in the term minus 2JS1 into S2 in equation 6. Just their direct coupling between direction of the two spin for many purposes of ferromagnetic is good approximation to the treat the spin classical angular moment vector. We can establish the approximation connection between exchange integral J and Curie's temperature Tc. Suppose the atom under consideration Z nearest neighbor for connected the central atom of the interaction J for the distinct neighboring, we take J is equal to 0. The main field theory result is J is equal to 3 kb into Tc upon 2ZS bracket S plus 1, equation number 7. Better statistical approximation is somewhat different result for the SC, ECC and FCC structure with S is equal to 1/2. Rushbrook and Woods gives the kb Tc upon Z is equal to 0.28, 0.325 and 0.346 respectively as compared with the 0.500 from equation 7 for all three structure. If ion represent the Hensburg model with S is equal to 1, then observe Curie's temperature correspond J is equal to 11.9 meter electron volt. Now in this lecture we will discuss Curie's point and exchange integral. Thank you so much.